Now, question number 8. Question number 8 says ddx of sin x by 1 minus cos x can be written in the form k by cos x minus 1 and state the value of k. So here ddx of this one u by v. So 1 minus cos x into ddx of sin x will be cos x minus sin x. ddx of 1 minus cos x will be minus 1 is a plus. So sin x, because ddx of minus cos x will be sin x. Okay, divided by 1 minus cos x whole square, or we can write cos x minus cos square x minus sin square x by 1 minus cos x whole square. So here if we take minus as a common factor, then we get cos square x plus sin square x by 1 minus cos a whole square. So cos x minus cos square x plus sin square x will be 1 by 1 minus cos x whole square, or we can write minus 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x whole square. After cancelling 1 minus cos x from numerator and denominator, we will get minus 1 by 1 minus cos. So here we can easily say this one, if I want to write this one in this way, then it can be write as cos x minus 1. Now, what is the value of k? Here we can say the value of k will be 1. Okay. I hope you can understand this one properly. Number B, integration of 5 by cos x minus 1 dx. If we look at this one, already you have this part. Okay, so now we can write instead of 1 by cos x minus 1, we can write this one. Look, instead of here already we can find out this one. The in the ddx of sin x by 1 minus cos x will be 1 minus 1 by 1 by cos x minus 1. So 1 by cos x minus 1 can be written as by integration of, instead of this one we can write d dx of sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. Dx we can cancel. So we'll get 5 into sin x by 1 minus cos x plus